Hello. Welcome to Mythical. I'm Harry. I shouldn't be here. But, I mean, I was around, and so I got a message. Now I'm here. And honestly, I'm probably just gonna spend 3/4 of the time fucking singing or doing something like that, and then dying to the first person I see, because I literally think everyone but Blah is better than me in this game. Because fuck Blah, he's a little pussy. Um, so yeah. I'm gonna be honest. There's no expectations for this season, but I'm hoping I get a team that can just carry me to a W. What the fuck? What was that noise? Okay, so potential teammates are Aqua, Firm. Yo, I like all of those teammates. Okay, so I think early on I want to go for the plates and try and find the plates. Because I want to get a team early. I feel like I will be the... I feel like if I don't go early, it's going to be really rough. So, you know, we got a lot of chickens here, though. So we just got a whole bunch of feathers, and there's cows over here. So, you know, we take it. Okay. We're going to look around for a little bit to start with. Oh, wow. We're literally at 0-0. Holy shit. I just realized that. Which way do we want to head off, then? Honestly, this is not a bad 0-0. That roof forest over there seems like a good idea to keep an eye on. Either way. That's golden. Okay. Here's what we're going to do. We are going to run this way. We are going to find... Hopefully we'll find a pressure plate. It'd be very nice if we could find one early. But obviously if not, then it's not too big a loss. As long as we go in like a good... There's a swamp over here. Let's check out the swamp. I feel like there has to be one in the swamp, right? Like, there's either one in this extreme hills or one in the swamp, and my bet would be the swamp. We're gonna go up here and get the food anyway, because we may as well. It's here. Pack I'm using is Shut Up Bricks pack. I don't know which version of it is, but, you know. I could show it, but at the same time I'm lazy. 250, 500, 500, 250. Okay. So we just need to go this way, I guess. And then cave. So go this way a little bit, and then get underground ASAP. Essentially it. Like I said, I don't think I'm gonna get any kills, so Are you fucking... Well then. That puts literally everything I wanted to shame right now. I am on 35. Hello? Jesus Christ. Cypher better not bully me, dude. If Cypher starts bullying me now that I'm on 35, I'm gonna be very upset. I need to go back into the swamp. Fuck, dude. I was literally about to say I want to go for at least Iron Man if I'm... Because I don't think I'm going to get a kill. And then that shit happened. Hello? Who is that? Hi, Frost. I'm on 35. Yeah, neither are you. I don't think so. I don't remember. No. Okay, yeah. I'm so sad, dude. Bye, Frost. I'm so sad. I'm so sad. There he goes. I mean, I guess I can head to neg 500 to 50. Hello? Hi, pig. How are you? I'm on 35. I fell off a roof forest tree and it landed in a really deep cave. And I swear to God, if you steal any of my apples right now, I'm gonna fucking hunt you down and gut you. That's what I fucking thought. See ya, mate. Oh, so much pain. Oh, pig. Ah, he's gone. Okay. It has to be over here somewhere. Is this it here? Yeah, it is. Oh! Broseph is on my team. Okay, then. That's pretty cool. I like that. What do I do? Okay, so Broseph is on our team. Oh. Hey, Brody. How you doing, man? I think, yeah, you're doing better than I am. Was Brody on my list at all? No, he was not. Hi, yeah, dude. Okay, so we're not having a good start to the season, but that's fine. We can pull it back. Let's get one more apple, and then we can cave, and then everything will be fine. Ah, Firm's over there. Hey, Firm. Hey, Firm. How you doing, buddy? Shut up! I fell in a cave off of a roof tree a fucking roof forest tree. No, you are on my list, but I mean, if I'm not on your list, then cool. That confirms that at least. Nice, okay. Who the fuck is that now? I've literally seen 7 people now. Hey, Chris, how are you? That was T-Firm. He was on my list, but I'm not on his, so... Okay, well, I'm just gonna, like, run off then. Yeah, it's there. I know, it's weird. It's in a weird place. I don't like that. I think he knows where his teammate is. We're gonna go a little bit away from that, because that's just a hotbed of people going there. But, dude, fuck this shit, dude. This is so rough. I had a pretty good plan as well. Hello? Who's that? Oh, hi Griffin, how are you? Yeah, I'm alright. You're not on my list, and I'm on 35, so I'm gonna walk away. Don't worry, I'm not gonna steal from your furnaces. Yeah, it would be mean. I mean, I'm still awake because I was playing Danganronpa 2 with Dig. But, like, yeah. It's 2 a.m. I don't want to die yet. Bye-bye. Let's go in here. This looks like it could be promising. I mean, I haven't really moved away from Griffin that much, and Griffin is just by far better than me, but I mean, I don't think he'll kill me straight away, at least. If he sees me in F3, I won't blame him for killing me, but, like, I mean, F2 PvP, in my opinion, is just kind of lame. But as soon as it gets to F3, like, all bets are off. Even towards the end of F2, honestly, it's kind of like, you know... Okay, so we know that T-Firm is not one of our teammates, and we know that Broseph is. I'd really love to find Broseph early, but I don't think I'm going to. Oh, nice. We really need to find gold pretty quickly. All honesty. Nice. That looks really good. Okay. And there's some gold there. Okay, cool. Let's get started with trying to get some healing then. Oh my god. No, now is not the time to lag. Oh, you fucking piece of shit cunt! I hate you so much! I hate you with everything! Oh! Oh! I'm on 35 because I fell in a fucking cave in a roof forest. Why do you have to bully me? I hate you. No, it's all good, Maxa. I heard you on mute. It's all good, man. Alrighty. Tell Maxa that it was alright, by the way, if he's still not around and didn't hear me. Jesus fucking Christ, I hate this game mode. I can't chat during the night. Okay. So my plan now is to just not die. There is no other plan I can think of right now other than don't die, Harry B. It's not good for you. And if Cypher does that shit again, we're gonna have issues. We are going to have really, really big issues. Like, Slender Man is... he's gonna die. He's gonna be dying. Come on, fall in the fucking... oh my god. Okay, that's enough of that. That's enough of that. That's enough of that. Let's just quickly mine some of this shit. Did I throw out my axe as well? I did. Okay, cool. Didn't even realize I did that. There's a skeleton down there. I don't really want to deal with a skeleton right this minute. Okay, let's just go check out the ravine first before we go and get distracted by anything else. Because I already know that's what I'll do. And there's a... I think there's a real witch at the end of my cave. Oh, are you fucking kidding me? Why? There's another... okay, so there's witches on both sides of me. That's cool. Scyther's probably watching me like, ah, yes, is this a good time to go in? Is now a good time to scare the fucking piss out of an Australian at 2 AM with 300 people? There's a mine shaft! Oh! Oh! Ah! Really? Now is not the time, scroll wheel. Okay. Firstly, gold. Get it. In my inventory. Get this shit in my system, baby girl. Oh, yeah. We do need more iron as well. Dude, a diamond level mine shaft is nice and all, but like... the thing with mine shafts for me is that I always get lost in them because I just kind of keep going. Never check out promising areas, so I kind of want to go a little slower with this mine shaft tonight. Today, this game. And check everything. Because that area back there seemed fairly promising as well. Like, it had a lower level part of the mine shaft. Like, that was actually level... because this is all level, like, 16, 15. Which is great. Don't get me wrong, it's great. Like, I still get gold and diamonds here. At this level. But... you know. Okay, this here might have... yeah, there we go. Diamonds. Okay, cool. Let's make this a little area real quick. Okay, so 4 diamonds. Cool. Hello? Okay, that's the end of the episode. See you next time. Bye.